to the fourth introductory video for the ZoomTown Experiment, which is about an automated transportation system. In this video, I will be providing some insight into how the system will run using a Raspberry Pi 4 as the system controller. At the heart of the overall system will be a computer that performs these primary functions. It will randomly schedule the Zoomies to visit other Zoomies at their destination. It'll provide driving instruction to the Zoomie so it knows how to get from start to the destination. It will also serve as the central hub for all communications. This program will be written in Python. It was enhanced with Pygame so that it'd have a much greater graphic appeal to it and be a little bit more useful should I get a little carried away, let's say, with some of its capabilities. The system controller may also need to share other information to help keep the cars from crashing into each other. Not exactly sure how I'm going to do that yet, but I think it should be part of the system controller's function. This is all part of the experience and exploration with this experiment to determine what is needed and what works and what does not work. I'm sure we'll have plenty of failures along the way. In the next intro video, I will talk a bit more about a sort of GPS type system that I've been giving thought to. I think it'll actually work in this situation. I'm not sure if it'll run on a Raspberry Pi PICO or a Raspberry Pi 4 for that matter. We'll learn more about that much further along in this project. I hope you join me on this journey and be part of the experiment. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.